Today we are going to talk about problem solution essay. Animal species are becoming extinct due to human activities on land and in sea. What are the reasons and solutions? So how we can write the introduction? There is no doubt that wildlife habitats are being destroyed and the whole species of animal are on the verge of extinction. Verge of extinction means खत्म होने की कगार पे, disappearance. Due to human interference or intervention on land and sea, deforestation and excessive fishing are ascribed to this tendency. However, this could be ameliorated or weeded out by applying stringent means strict red tapes, regulations, and promoting use of new technology in farming. Looking at the precursors, why animals are disappearing? Firstly, in many parts of the world, trees are being cut down to make way for farmland as well as for the building. Such infrastructure practices involve clearance of huge plot of land that was previously inhabited by local fauna, resulting in loss of habitats of the native animals. So what is the first reason? Trees are being cut down. Why they are cut down? To make way for farmland as well as for the buildings. So because of this, there is a huge clearance of plot that was previously inhabited means occupied or busy by the local fauna. Local fauna means local animals. Secondly, overfishing is also responsible for the destruction of aquatic life, as many fishermen prioritize profits to the detriment of the diversity of the species. So सेकंड क्या है? ओवरफिशिंग. ओवरफिशिंग में क्या होता है कि जो फिशरमैन होते हैं अपना प्रॉफिट्स ज़्यादा देखते हैं, बजाय कि जो डाइवर्सिटी को क्या नुकसान हो रहे हैं, स्पीसीज़ को क्या नुकसान हो रहे हैं, उस पर वो ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करते, वो अपने प्रॉफिट के लिए ओवरफिशिंग करते हैं. तो इससे क्या होता है? बायोडाइवर्सिटी इफेक्ट होती है. मैनी फिश एंड अदर marine forms of life are trapped, which reduces biodiversity and has a devastating effect on food chain of the wildlife species. Turning to the remedial actions, one approach is application of high-tech machinery and other technological breakthroughs in the cultivation of activities. Seeds with higher crop yield can be grown while powerful tractors can be applied to plow the fields in a speedy manner, resulting in higher output and productivity, and thus a lower demand for clearing land or the क्रॉप प्लांटिंग. सो अगर आप हाईटेक मशीनरी और हायर क्रॉप यील्ड के सीड्स जो हैं ऐसी सीड्स को ग्रो करोगे तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपके जो इनपुट कॉस्ट है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, लेकिन आपकी आउटपुट जो है इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. इससे क्या होगा? आपकी जो नीड है न्यू वेकेंट लैंड की वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो डिफॉरेस्टेशन कम हो जाएगी. अनदर मेजर इज दैट regime ought to impose strict fishing regulations, setting a limit to catch fish or restricting access to the aquatic area with greater biodiversity. सो सेकंड क्या होना चाहिए कि जो गवर्नमेंट है उसको क्या करना चाहिए? ओवर फिशिंग पे बैन लगाना चाहिए या फिर लिमिट लगानी चाहिए. दस इंश्योर्स दैट अदर वाइल्ड सी एनिमल्स वुड नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड इन प्रोसेस. टू कंक्लूड, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज इंक्लूडिंग फार्मिंग एंड फिशिंग आर reducing many species of animal. However, endeavors taken by government and people must go hand in hand to improve the existing solution. So अगर इस प्रॉब्लम को ख़त्म करना है तो गवर्नमेंट और लोगों को साथ में मिलकर काम करना होगा. इंटरफेरेंस को क्या लिख सकते हैं? इंट्रूजन, इंटरवेंशन, इंटरसेशन, involvement, impinging, encroaching, trespassing, obstruction. Extinction को क्या लिख सकते हैं उसमें? Disappearance. Thanks for watching. Here are other 2 videos. You can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos and share these all videos among your friends.